Hello, Canoeists. Lisa DeHart here, 3 minutes with a Maine Guide. Your eyes aren't playing tricks on you. This is my next favorite piece of canoe gear. It's a Harrington Richardson folding 20 gauge. It's got a hole in the forearm for the trigger guard to go. I've had this since college, okay? They're fairly rare. Harrington Richardson made them for 4 years after World War II, 1945 to 1949, and then they never made another one. It was advertised as a canoe gun. It folded to fit in a pack basket, okay? It's as nice to eat a duck or a partridge on a river as it is a brook trout, and I loved taking this canoeing. I was careful with it, but I never really babied it. You see how the axe is in the pack? I would do this on the side of the pack and carry it with this in the pocket. And I would either take a shaker peg and put it in the end, or modern times you could just use a piece of tape. I'll tell you, I also took it as many times like that. I had it like this, strapped to the top of this pack just like that. Liked carrying it like that too. There's not a lot of info. I would take this to gun shows and try to get more information on it. And I stopped because all that would happen is I'd just get attacked whether I wanted to sell it or not. And I'd never sell it. My husband and I bought this in Bangor at a pawn shop when we were in college. And we walked in and the guy showed it all off to it. Was really proud of it, and as he should be. And my husband said, well, how much do you want for that? And he said $150. And we were both college students. There's no way we should have had that in our wallet, but somehow we did. And as soon as he said that, we just pulled out the money and put it on the counter, and you could actually see him go, I wished I hadn't done that. Wished I hadn't said anything. But we've had it ever since. Cooking ducks on a river, boy, let me tell you something. You want to take like a wire grill and fillet out the breast flat, okay? And put it in front of a big fire like this, laying on its side like that. And the fat drips out. It roasts the meat. It makes it all crispy. Food for the gods. And a lot of good times there. So that's it. That's one of my favorite pieces of canoe gear. I think it's beautiful. Like I said, I always took like a little bit of oil, but nothing crazy. The only cleaning stuff I took for it was a boar snake, the rope with the shotgun thing on it. And it shoots a really nice pattern. And yeah, it's a caulker. I'm Lisa DeHart. You just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.